Hello friends, topic of this video is creation of AVL tree. So these are the key. Using these key, we will insert one by one and generate AVL tree. Process is same as binary search tree, but also we have to calculate balance factor. If any node become imbalanced, we have to balance it. So let's start creation. So first insert 20. Okay. So a node will be created. First no node, so no need to worry about it. Then 30. 30 is greater than 20, so it will be right side of 20. Then 40. 40 is greater than 30, so it will be right side of 40. So in this case, one of the node become imbalanced, this 20 become imbalanced. So we have to perform rotation and keep the AVL tree always balanced. We can't do like after inserting 35, we will balance. No. First we will see after insertion of 40, this tree become imbalanced. So we will balance it. So this is right imbalance. Okay. So we will perform left rotation like this. Okay. So after rotation, how our tree will look like? Here 30, 20, 40. So now tree is balanced. Again we will insert 35. 35 is greater than 30. So right side 35 is smaller than 40. So left side 35. After insertion of 35, we will calculate balance factor for each and every node. Okay, balance factor for this 0, 1, 0 and it's -1. Now everything is balanced. Okay, now we will insert 38. 38. So 38 is greater than 35. So 38. Process is same. Again we will start calculation of 38 from 30. 38 is greater than 30. So right side 38 is smaller than 40. So left side 38 is greater than 35. So right side. After insertion of 38, we will calculate balance factor. So we will see this is balance, this is balance, this is imbalance. Okay, -2, this is 2 and this is -2. Okay, so here 2 node is imbalance. First what we will check, after insertion which node become imbalanced. After insertion, which ancestor become imbalanced, first balance it. Now after insertion 38, node 40 and 30 both become imbalanced, but first we will try to balance 40 because this is the first nearest ancestor of 38. Okay, so we will try to balance 40 first, then we will see about 30. Okay, so this is imbalance, this is left and this is right. So LR rotation. In LR rotation, what I taught you, first for shortcut, just this will take this place and this will be in right. So let's see after LR rotation. So here what rotation is performed? RR rotation. Okay, here LR rotation. This is LR rotation. So after LR rotation 30, 20, this will take this place. So 38, 35 and this is 40. Okay, so after insertion of this, again we will check whether it is balanced or not. So each and every node is balanced because balance factor is -1, 0 and 1 in between. So these are balanced. Balance factor for this is 0, 0. Again this is 0 and for this -1 again this is 0. We have inserted 38. Now we will try to insert 37. 37 is greater than 30. So this side 37 is smaller than 38. So this place 37 greater than 35. So 37. So here 37 we have inserted. After insertion of 37, if we will check, balance factor of this node is -2. This is -2, so this become imbalance. Okay, all other are balanced. So which rotation we have to perform? We will check. This is right and left. This is right and this is from right and left. So we will perform, this is right and this is left. So this is RL rotation. RL rotation. So how to perform RL rotation? RL rotation is double rotation. Double rotation we will count as only one rotation, okay, but it contains two steps. That's why its name is double rotation. What to do in double rotation? Then we will perform rotation, okay. RL rotation we will perform. Let's see how to perform. Then this 35 will take this place and 30 will come left side, okay. So after rotation, this is 35, 30, 20, 38, 40, okay. So 35 was right of 37. Again 37 will be right of 35 and left of 38. So here 37. Till this our tree is balanced. So again next element is 15. So we will insert 15. 15 is smaller than 35. So left side. 15 is smaller than 30. So left side. 15 is smaller than 20. So this side. 15 will be inserted. After insertion we will calculate balance factor, okay. Balance factor 0, here 1, here 2. So this node become imbalance, okay. We will calculate other also, but this is the, like in this case how two node become imbalance. But first what we have checked, this is the nearest ancestor after insertion. So first try to balance this one. Again in this case also only this node is imbalance, so we will balance it. How it is imbalance? Left and left, LL imbalance. So LL imbalance, to balance it we will perform LL rotation or right rotation. LL rotation and right rotation, okay. After we will perform LL rotation, okay. Then how it will look after rotation? 35, 20, 15, 30, this will be same, 38, 37 and 40. And we will check what is height of this tree. Height of this tree is, if we want we can start from 0 also or 1 also. So I am calculating 0, 1, 2. So after insertion of these many nodes, height is 2, okay. So how many rotation we perform? Total rotation we perform 4 rotation, okay. Here RR rotation, here LR rotation, here RL rotation and here LL rotation. 4 rotation total we perform, 4. There will be, can be question like this, 4 rotation, LR, RL means 2 double rotation, LL, RR, 2 single rotation. If question will be like how many rotation perform? 4 rotation. How many double rotation? 2. How many single rotation? 2. LL and RR. Single rotation, LR, RL, double rotation, okay. So how height is 2? If we will create tree using these element, how binary search tree will look like? Let's create simple binary search tree, okay. First element was 20, okay. Then 30 is greater than 20, so 30, okay. Then 40, here simple binary search tree I am creating, I will compare it. Then 35, then 38, then 37, and this is 15. What will be its height if 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? Height is 5. In this, how time will be saved in avial tree? In this case, we have to compare 6. 6 time if we compare at most, in worst case, then we will get the element. But in case of avial tree, only 3 comparison are required. For this, you can start instead of 0, you can start 1, 2, 3, only 3 comparison, at most 3 comparison, any element, if present or not, we can get it. But in case of binary search tree, total 6 comparison is required. So in this case, via avial tree, many time can be saved. So avial tree is preferable because it is height balance so that for any comparison we can get in less time. Thank you for this.